Within the CSG Client Manager, there are two ways to add new clients or import your client lists or lead lists. So when you sign into your Client Manager, in the upper right-hand corner, you can either import clients or you can hit Add New. So we're going to first show you how to add a new client. This is the basic information that you will have to fill out for that individual. So I'm going to go through and complete this: first name, last name. Some of these are optional fields, so the middle name or the title would something that would be optional. You do have to make sure that you select the gender, the tobacco status, and enter in a proper date of birth. If you do not enter in a proper date of birth or that gender, that tobacco use, you're not going to be able to quickly run quotes from the Client Manager, so please make sure that you enter that information. The social security number, this is optional. If you have it, you can absolutely enter it in, and then you can add in a phone number and an email address, and then an address. Then you can select the state and then the zip code. Now, the zip code is also something that is very important. If you do not have a zip code, we will not be able to quickly run a search. So the key things to enter here is the zip code, the gender, the tobacco use, and the date of birth. So please make sure that information is entered. And then we'll just go ahead and hit save. Once we hit save, we will be able to apply any household discounts. So when you are quickly running searches for this individual, do you want that household discount to be applied? So you can check mark that if that would apply to that individual. We'll just make sure that we hit save here. And then for this client, we can click on Show Current Products. So if your client is currently enrolled in a Medicare supplement, Advantage, hospital indemnity, dental, vision, you can enter in those carrier details. That way you can compare this individual's current Medicare supplement plan against others in the market if you want to rewrite this individual. So here we can just enter in the plan name, the premium that they are currently on, and then the plan type. And then we'll go ahead and hit save and then just exit out. So from this client profile, you can easily run a new search or a new quote for the client. So you'll just hit new quote, and then you have the options of running the quote. So I can click on Medicare supplement, and then it automatically takes me to the Medicare supplement page where it automatically populates all of my client's information: his age, gender, tobacco status, and then with the effective date, and then we can hit get quote, and then we can see that complete list of available companies for this individual. So from there, the complete list of carrier options will appear for this individual and all their premiums. So from here, you can start your normal comparison for this individual. Within a client profile, you can also view their quote history. So based upon the number of quotes you have ran for that individual and the quoted date, it will show those. So if you quickly want to rerun another quote, you can always rerun that and see their quote history. The second way to add clients to your Client Manager is by importing a file. So if you had a current list of all of your clients, or if there was a lead list that you have or that you purchased that you want to easily run quotes for, you can go ahead and select Import Clients. You can either upload an Excel file or a CSV file. So you can either drag or drop or hit Browse to select the file. And then automatically it's going to try to map those headers on your file. So you can see in the file that I had the email address, the gender, the state, the zip code, and the phone number. So then I just have to unmap any of the other fields that I had. So I can just drag those different headers to the blue bar: last name, birth date. And then if there are any fields that I had in my Excel file that are not one of the client properties, you can leave that there and then just go ahead and hit Map Headers and Upload. and then it's going to show you a notification that that file is being uploaded or it has been complete. And then once those individuals have been added, you will see they will start to appear here. So these were a couple of clients that I had on that file. You'll notice here that on my page size, I can adjust how many clients I am seeing too. So if I add that, I'm seeing some additional clients that I have added. If you need any assistance on uploading a file, in our training guide section, we do have a sample of what those column headers for importing needs to be. So if you click on that and download it, you will see these are your client headers. So if you wanted to make it that your own Excel file, please make sure that your horizontal column headers do match. That way it's really easy to import all of your data into the tool. If you ever need to export your client list, you would have to go ahead and select the clients that you want to export. So you can either select all or select a grouping of them. And then if you scroll to the bottom, you will see the export CSV. You can just click on that file and then it will download a document with all of the client information for you.